Hey, welcome back. Before we begin, this segment is about a quieter kind of attraction, the kind that does not come from ego, performance, or proving. It comes from the soul's natural coherence, from the moment you stop chasing validation and begin returning to the truth of who you are. Stay with this, because by the end, you will see attraction less as something you force and more as something that you remember. There is a power within you, ancient, subtle, and magnetic. Not the kind the world often glorifies as being loud, boastful, or brash, but a quiet radiance that flows from the essence of your soul. In the 3D world, attraction often wears a loud costume. It struts in with a big ego, demanding attention, proving its worth through dominance, opinion, and control. This is mistaken for confidence. Like sensitivity, quiet depth, and being timid are often dismissed as weakness. But to the awakened heart, to those walking the path of truth, this showy energy feels off. It repels, not attracts, because it's a performance, not a presence. You see, true attraction doesn't need to perform. It simply is. When you return to your authentic self, when you're no longer playing the ego's game, chasing approval, trying to fix others, filling the gaps your wounded inner child aches to fill, that's when something magical happens. You stop needing and start being. And being is magnetic. Your essence shines without trying. Your joy, your grace, your integrity flow out like ripples from the center of a still pond. You become attractive, not because you're trying to be, but because you're whole, because you're real. This is the divine paradox. Vulnerability is power. Authenticity is charisma. Wholeness is magnetic. As you shed your masks through meditation, as you align with your higher self, you will no longer attract from lack. You magnetize from overflow. You meet others not to complete you, but to dance with you, to co-create, soul to soul. So if you're wondering how to become more attractive, don't reach outward, reach inward. Return to essence and let your soul do the shining. I hope this segment gave you a softer and clearer way to understand attraction. This week, notice where you may be performing for approval and where you can gently return to presence instead. May your energy become less about proving and more about simply being. Have a grounded and beautiful week, and until next time, let your soul do the shining.